Did your Windows 11 PC become slow after a recent update? Apps opening slowly, lag, or long startup times? Don't worry, this happens a lot. In this video, I'll show you easy and safe steps to fix Windows 11 slowdown after an update. First, don't panic. After a Windows update, your PC runs background tasks like indexing and optimization. Leave your computer idle for about 30 minutes. Don't open apps. After that, restart your PC once more. Many times, this alone fixes the problem. If Windows is still slow, let's check the update. Go to Settings, Windows Update, Update History. Look for the latest update and note the KB number. Search this KB number online to see if others are facing the same issue. If the update is causing issues, you can uninstall it. Right-click the Start button, open Settings, then go to Windows Update, Update History, Uninstall Updates. Find the latest update, click Uninstall, and follow the steps. Restart your PC and check if performance improves. Low storage can slow down Windows badly. Go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, and remove apps you don't use. Then go to Settings, System, Storage, Temporary Files. Delete Windows Update Cleanup, temporary files, and cache. Try to keep at least 15 to 20% free space on your drive. Windows updates can turn startup apps back on. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Go to Startup Apps and disable unnecessary apps. Then open Settings, System, Power and Battery, and select Best Performance. And that's it. These simple steps fix most Windows 11 slowdowns after updates. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tips.